Did you know that delaying just one vaccine at birth could lead to thousands of preventable infections, more cases of cancer, and hundreds of millions in extra healthcare costs every year? Let's talk about the hepatitis B birth dose. This week, the CDC's advisory committee is meeting, and there are rumors they might vote to limit or remove the hepatitis B vaccine given at birth. That's a big deal, and here's why. A new preprint analysis looked at what happens if we delay that first dose, the one usually given within those first 24 hours. Their model used 2024 US birth rates, and the numbers were staggering. If we delay the shot by just a couple of months, we could see 1,400 more infections, 300 extra cases of liver cancer, 480 preventable deaths, and more than $220 million in avoidable healthcare costs for every year that policy is in effect. And a few times people like President Trump suggested delaying it until 12. This may not happen, but it's an even worse case scenario. That jumps to nearly 3,000 preventable infections and over $300 million in extra costs for every year that policy is in effect. And here's the thing, babies who get Hep B early in life are the highest risk for chronic infection, and that's what leads to years of liver damage and liver cancer later on. And many people with Hep B don't know they have it. They can silently pass it on to others, including their babies if they're the parent, or to babies they might encounter in their family or work. The World Health Organization, the American Academy of Pediatrics, and many other organizations recommend giving the first Hep B dose within 24 hours of birth. And it's not about fear, it's about prevention. Because the earlier we protect babies, the less chance the virus ever has to take hold. So when you hear about it, don't just think it's not a big deal to delay the birth dose. Remember, it is. Because we want to protect newborns, we want to save lives, and we want to prevent lifelong disease.